Welcome back. The show is called Brand Equity and I'm Sonali Krishna. Now, YouTube has launched a new initiative for small brands and entrepreneurs called the YouTube Partnership Program that allows content creators to actually monetize their YouTube page. This is really an opportunity for SMEs or any individual with a modest budget to go out there and get some visibility. But besides giving these budding businesses an opportunity to advertise, this could well be the beginning of a new trend. It's really the virtual world that's going all out to oust the big daddy television out of its comfort zone. No doubt it's a long haul, but nevertheless the signs cannot be ignored. Davina Monroe gets you the report.
Getting those 15 seconds of fame is crucial for all wannabe artists. Recognition and monetizing that talent, on the other hand, is a lot easier said than done. Well, here to start a new era in advertising and help these wannabe artists graduate to the limelight a lot faster is the big daddy of everything video, YouTube. Right from its inception in 2005, YouTube has been a rage with its users. Today, more than 6 years later, the site garners more than 3 billion views per day and has a growth rate of more than 50% year on year. For a long time, this traffic wasn't monetizable, since YouTube and its competitors were themselves figuring out the nuances of video advertising. All that changed with the launch of their partner program in 2007, one which they've now gone ahead and launched in India.
YouTube really is a platform for content. If we didn't have the content, we wouldn't have YouTube. And so in order to develop more content on the platform, having a model where we can share the revenue from the advertising is very important to grow the user base as well as the content itself and attract more advertisers to the platform. Partner program allows anybody in India, whether they be a big content producer or a small individual, to create content for the YouTube platform, become a partner of YouTube, and also earn revenue from their content too through the advertising model we have on YouTube.
India still lags behind the West, both in terms of video uploads and video views on YouTube. But with YouTube reaching out to over 5 million Indian users every month, brands now believe that the platform has hit some sort of critical mass, one which can be taken seriously.
First benefit is the reach. On a platform like YouTube, you can actually basically filter out the people you want to reach. That is one basic advertiser. The ROI on this particular campaign increases for the advertiser. The second benefit is the incremental reach they will get. Targeting will be better, so you can reach out exactly the person that you want to reach out to through this particular content. The cost of reaching that particular customer will be lower. And third, it is a win-win game for everybody.
Another point of view is the type of audience a platform like YouTube offers. A more web-savvy upmarket audience for whom YouTube has become the primary platform to consume video content.
And if you're targeting someone like myself, I'm not watching television. Or guess what? I'm watching DTH without the ads. But if I'm still watching, say, a new a stand-up comedian, and you're serving me a iPhone ad or a Ford Endeavour ad, I'm still paying attention. So there's a kind of class of people who are now switched off ads, but not switched off content.
Brands are now commissioning a separate set of commercials for YouTube. The kind of commercials that they run on TV, they themselves are saying, no, this is boring stuff, this won't do. I personally know of 3 brands who each have commissioned at least 10 commercials only for YouTube. So these are big game changers that you will see happening in the television and video production industry in India.
Boasting of a 20,000 strong
industry in India.
Boasting of a 20,000 strong community of content partners across the globe, YouTube shells out millions of dollars through this program.
Dear YouTube partners.
And with the opportunity to earn more than $1,000 per month, content partners not only enjoy the recognition of a worldwide audience, but monetary benefits as well.
Yobo chose YouTube as a platform to distribute its videos. It's a great rewarding tool. They give you money on time. They give you support, to ensure that your videos get viewed more and more every month. They guide you which kind of content you can make or how you can leverage your strengths into creating content which will be viewed in India as well as across the world.
What's critical for YouTube is that it keeps its partners happy. In many ways, the earnings of its content creators will determine the platform's long-term success.
Clearly a very ambitious yet path-breaking move from YouTube, staying with the virtual world. There's some interesting news from the Twitter camp. The